Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to recover deleted Grok AI chats. Have you ever had that sinking feeling after accidentally deleting a chat in Grok AI, only to realize moments later that you still need it? Perhaps it contained important information or references you didn't mean to lose. Well, there's no need to worry because Grok AI has a built-in feature that allows you to recover those deleted chats. This feature not only helps you retrieve lost conversations, but also gives you control over permanently clearing them out if needed. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, ensuring you know exactly where to find everything and understand what each option does. To begin, open your Grok AI application. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it to open up your account panel. The next step is to select Settings. This is a crucial area within Grok AI, as it houses all the controls that determine how your account operates, including those related to privacy and data management. By navigating through the settings, you're ensuring that you're directly engaging with your personal data controls rather than just the general app preferences. Now, within the settings, look for a section titled Data Control. This is the hub where you can manage how your conversations are stored, viewed, and handled. Under Data Control, search for an entry labeled See Deleted Conversations. Right beside it, you'll notice a Manage button. Click on this Manage button, and it will lead you to a special area where Grok AI gathers all the chats you've previously deleted. Think of this as your personal recovery bin for conversations. It's particularly useful if you mistakenly removed a chat, or if you're in the midst of tidying up and want to make sure everything is in order before finalizing any deletions. Once you're on this screen, you'll be presented with two main actions you can take. First, you have the option to restore deleted chats. If you choose to restore a chat, it will be placed back into your main chat list, allowing you to continue from where you left off. This can be especially beneficial if the conversation contained prompts, summaries, or references that you wish to use again. If the restoration is successful, the chat should appear just like any other current conversation. On the other hand, if you decide there's a conversation you no longer need, you can opt for the Permanent Delete option. As the name suggests, this action will permanently remove the selected conversation from your deleted list, meaning it will be gone for good. Before you confirm this choice, it's important to double-check that you're absolutely certain you no longer need that content. Once you confirm a permanent deletion, the chat cannot be recovered later. To ensure you're confident in your decision, take a quick moment to review the titles or timestamps associated with the chats. And there you have it, the complete process broken down into simple steps. First, open your profile and navigate to Settings. Then, head into the Data Control section and click Manage next to See Deleted Conversations. From there, you can choose to restore the chats you wish to keep or permanently delete the ones you don't need. With this guide, you can efficiently recover important threads while maintaining a tidy workspace with peace of mind. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to recover deleted Grok AI chats. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.